Hello and welcome to another video about the Tesla Model 3 at a traditional car show. In this slideshow, you'll see the excitement of kids and adults who had the opportunity to see a Tesla Model 3 up close and even sit behind the wheel. Many of the visitors are aspiring owners who now have an opportunity to ask questions and receive factual answers. This experience meant a lot to them. Also, for letting me take their picture, I reward them with a Tesla logo shaped key fob. If I have a young visitor with extra knowledge and excitement for Tesla, I will reward them with a die-cast Tesla model. Also in the video, you will see I have set up a short video for visitors to view. They can see what it is like to ride in a self-driving Tesla from a passenger's perspective. Lastly, I have several non-Tesla die-cast cars on display in the frunk. If someone owns the real one, the die-cast model is given to them for free. I hope by watching this slideshow, you'll get a sense of the impact that seeing a Tesla Model 3 can have on people.
Yeah, well, you're about 6 years away from learning how to drive.
How do I use?
Oh, and I